This is item number 11565 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Reiser Rotoclaw 2 frozen meat flaker. This features all stainless steel construction. With a built-in loader. Requires 80 psi of compressed air to operate. Handles frozen blocks up to 9.5 inches to 21 inches. It has a capacity up to 10,000 pounds per hour. It has a 7.5 horsepower motor. All powered on 230 volts, 3-phase. We'll give you a demonstration. So you have your forward, which is continuous, and then you have your reverse in case there's a blockage, which you just hold manually. And now we will switch to continuous forward. And here we'll give you a demonstration of the lift. So you have your switch here. Go up. Bring it down. The emergency stop. And you also have your safety switch for your lid, so that way you don't stick your hands in there. Very nice machine. Again, this is item number 11565 with M&M Equipment Corp.